Hello my fellow crafters, Phil here, and today I'm going to make some ridiculously easy fridge magnets out of beer bottle caps. They are so easy to do. People on the internet have made this look hard with adding extra shims and bulking the magnet out so it touches the fridge, but honestly, couldn't be easier. I think it all comes down to the magnets. I found some good magnets. Link to them below. On Amazon. These are the ones I've got. About a centimetre wide and 2 or 3 millimetres deep. So, what can I do with these? Well, luckily I've just had a party and I've got some beer tops. So let's make the easiest, get off, beer top magnet, fridge magnet. Simple as that. Take the magnet, drop it in. Even though it's a long way off, these magnets are so strong, they will work as a fridge magnet. How strong is it? 5 or 6 pieces of paper there. Plenty of strength. Did even hold more. Fun time. So. So, very simple to make, but not very romantic. So my next video, if I've already done it, link here or down below, and I'll do something romantic. I'll make some romantic beer bottle cap fridge magnets. Can you make romantic beer bottle caps? Can beer bottle caps be made to be romantic? Find out. So, if you're wanting some more crafting tutorials, much better than this one, subscribe. This is Phil, the Romantic Crafter, saying ta for now. I think I'll do it.